Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore UTM tracking with HubSpot form submissions step by step clearly. To restore UTM tracking with HubSpot form submissions, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your marketing dashboard. From there, select Forms in the left-hand menu. Choose the form you want to track UTM parameters for. In the Form Editor, scroll down to the Options tab. Locate the Follow-up Options section within the Options tab. Ensure that the submission notifications are active. Next, click on the Track UTM Parameters option. If it is not enabled, toggle the switch to activate it. Now, make sure you have UTM parameters set up in your URLs. Create or edit the links that lead to the landing pages where your form is located. Use standard UTM tags such as UTM_source, UTM_medium, and UTM_campaign. Test your links in a separate browser to confirm the UTM parameters are properly attached. Once confirmed, revisit the HubSpot form settings. Check that your form fields capture UTM parameters. These usually include hidden fields for source, medium, and campaign. If you haven't added these fields yet, create hidden fields as necessary. Assign default values to these fields to store UTM data upon submission. Save your form changes. Now it's time to test the entire process. Submit a test form using a URL embedded with UTM parameters. After submission, review the contact record in HubSpot. Verify that the UTM parameters are correctly recorded under the contacts properties. If everything looks good, your UTM tracking with HubSpot form submissions is restored. Monitor the performance of your submissions over time. Make adjustments as necessary based on the data you gather. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.